So let me show you how to change the system language on your Pixel 10. Go to settings, just go to the main settings page. So on the main settings page, you want to scroll down and find system, tap on that. And then under system, you will see language and region, tap on that. And then here, just tap on system language. And then you can see your language there. If maybe you want a different language, for instance, let's say you want French. Okay, so you just search for the language you want, tap on it, and then choose the version of that language, and it's going to get added. So now to change it, just long press on it and then move it to the top, and that's going to be your new language once you tap on change to confirm you want to change. All right, so that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.